A social media ban for kids is coming to Ohio. A federal court has sided with the state, saying that kids younger than 16 can't use social media unless it's okayed by their parents. A Pew Research Center poll found 24% of teens said they were online almost constantly. That was 2014. Fast forward 10 years, that number doubled. There is substantial evidence that social media use can be associated with harms for some teenagers. Columbus Bureau reporter Morgan Trow has been covering this idea since it was first introduced. Joining us now live tonight. Morgan, when will this take effect?
Yeah, hi, Katie. Well, the Attorney General's team is still reviewing this decision, they told me, but it could be enforced as soon as next week. But this is likely to be a long legal battle.
YouTube is not a thing in our house because there is just unfettered access to literally anything.
Moms like Hillary Jackson have been managing how to keep their kids safe online, which she says has been through trial and error.
Technology is evolving at such a rapid rate where even all of the safeguards that currently exist aren't enough.
The conservative moms group activist says she's hypervigilant about her two sons' phone and computer usage. But lawmakers have tried to take it a step further. Passed in 2023, a law would have required verifiable parental consent for kids under 16 to access social media.
Work together to control this technology to better protect all of our children.
But for years, those regulations have been blocked. NetChoice, which represents companies like YouTube and Meta, sued, saying it violated the First Amendment. A federal judge stopped the law, and previously, Meta told us that they added specific safety features for kids.
Default accounts for teens 18 and under with built-in protections, private by default, messaging restrictions.
But in a 71-page ruling, 2 of 3 appellate judges agreed with the state, allowing Ohio to enforce the restrictions.
The majority basically said the parental consent requirement is good enough. It may not be perfect, but it's good enough.
Legal expert Jonathan Enton explains that the judges did think that the law may burden speech, but not enough to block it, since online safety is a valid concern for the state.
A fair amount of evidence suggesting that these kinds of interactive social media sites can be problematic, cause real harm to kids through bullying.
NetChoice responded, saying, in part, the state is actively rationing online speech and dictating how citizens communicate. And Jackson has mixed feelings, but says that this problem could have been solved if families were more involved.
Parents, you got to step up and parent your kids. It is your job to monitor what your kids are doing online, not the government's job.
And this will not be the end of the social media debate, as NetChoice says that they're confident that this will be ruled unconstitutional eventually.
Yeah, see where that goes. Morgan, other states also have some type of restrictions in place. How have those cases worked out?
Yeah, so NetChoice has been successful in a handful of states, but most of their litigation is still ongoing. I bet that this will end up in the U.S. Supreme Court.
Yeah, still something to keep an eye on. Morgan Trow joining us live tonight from Columbus. Thank you so much for this update. And certainly this is an international debate. The UK just announced plans to have a social media ban for kids younger than 16 in place by next spring. The British government saying it has the support of 9 out of 10 parents there. And in December, Australia became the first country to ban anyone younger than 16 from using social media apps. So far, most teens there are still finding ways to use it to get around that ban. Experts say it is really tough to take something away from them that they've already been using. And they say their hope is that this benefits the next generation.